Now, a few weeks ago, we talked about the launch of the xTool F1 Ultra, which was the world's first dual laser engraver that had both a fiber and a diode laser with a camera and a conveyor belt that support batch engraving. Really transforms the way you run your business when it comes to laser engraving. Well, xTool did it again, and today they launched the xTool M1 Ultra, which is a vinyl cutter, a laser engraver, a ink printer, and also it has a press. So if you want to do shirts and things of that nature, it's an all-in-one device that's going to transform the way you craft at home. Right now is the best time if you're interested in expanding your laser business, or you have the M1 and you're looking to move to this new laser, this crafting solution, because it's much more than a laser. Literally, it's the best time. You can, with a $50 deposit, secure a $500 savings and pick up this fantastic product that combines, and it makes it interchangeable. It has these interchangeable heads that makes it super easy to go from, let's say, from laser engraving to vinyl cutting to then all of a sudden now even ink printing. It's just, and then also pressing. It's just so many things in one. So really excited about this product. Check out the links below. Take advantage of the opportunity if you're really looking to expand your business, and we'll see what this product performs or looks like in the weeks to come.